Broke, meaning having little or no money. It's such a shame we're so broke. We'll miss the exciting Christmas sales. Splurge, meaning spend money freely. I have no money in my pocket, and everyone is splurging out there. Feel like 2 cents, meaning to have a feeling of complete worthlessness. I can't afford to buy the iPhone 14 Pro. I feel like 2 cents. Loaded, meaning having a lot of money. Tomorrow is a payday and we're going to be loaded. A drop in the ocean, meaning a very small amount. What we earn is a drop in the ocean compared to the boss. Born with a golden spoon, meaning born into a wealthy family. If only I was born with a golden spoon, I would have shopped every single day. Come down to earth, meaning to become realistic. Sarah was excited to book a vacation, but she came down to earth when she checked her depleted bank accounts. Live within your means, meaning to spend only as much money as one is earning. Maria decided to save money when she finally decided to live within her means. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.